Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back. So I know it has been a long time since I've actually filmed a video. I don't know what's happened. I've just kind of been super busy lately. I don't want to make a whole lot of excuses. I am sorry for being away for so long. I'm talking kind of funny right now. I'm kind of swollen because I had some dental work done and that still has not healed up quite yet, but other than that, everything is going good, and I hope everything's going good for you guys too. But I went and got a couple little things for summertime, and I wanted to share them with you because Dollar Tree has got so many cute little outside toys right now and swim toys, so I wanted to share them with you. And then I've got a couple things from Walmart too, but mostly we're going to be focusing on Dollar Tree. So I'm going to go ahead and get the stuff and show you what I got. So first thing that I picked up, these aren't really necessarily just for summertime, these are for all year round. These are little bath toys. They are little frogs. I think they're so cute, and I think these are going to be a blast for the kiddos to play with in the pool. I just got one pack of them. If they do well with them, I'll go back and get some more, but we'll see. We got other pool stuff too, so we'll see how that goes. And then we went to Walmart at first just to go get like floaties and stuff like that, but they didn't really have a whole lot, and the ones at Dollar Tree are $1, so I was like, yeah, I'm gonna go look there. And I was so surprised by how many that I found. So this is one of the designs that I found. It is all these gorgeous colors, and I think this one's like, it's clear, like the bottom of it is white, but these little strips right here are clear. So it's got all these gorgeous summery colors. And then I always think that the clear ones are so cool. I don't know why, but I think they're really neat. This one was by far the most exciting one to me. This was a donut one. Now Walmart did have one similar to this, but of course it was much more expensive, and I thought for $1, how cute is that? It's the little sprinkle donut. I also seen a pizza one at Walmart. It's more of like an entire slice of pizza. This one is just the circle, but it's in the shape of pizza, and then it's got your little crust and your cheese and all your toppings on there, which I thought was so cute. So there is that one, and I always think these are adorable too, and the kids love them. So I got an orange one and a blue one. I also found this little circular one. This one's very Hawaiian looking to me. I love how tropical this one looks. And then this one is like a little blue tang. It's a little dory fish. This one just looks like a little tire. And then this one is a green and yellow and pink fish. Then I picked up the typical beach ball because you have to have a beach ball. Like, why not? And then my son is still, like, I still kind of make him wear a life jacket in the pool, but we're getting to where he can kind of, towards the middle of the summer, he can wear these and he'll do okay. Like, I still won't leave him by himself, obviously, but he does okay with those towards the middle of the summer. That's everything that I picked up from Dollar Tree. So now I'm going to show you the stuff that I picked up from Walmart. There's only like 3 things. So I got this the little mat that you lay on. I've never really been a big fan of these, but my mom always liked them, so I got one of those for her. And then this kit, I was so excited when I saw this. It's a little diving game, but it's a treasure chest, and it shows on the back all the stuff. I think this is going to be a blast to play with. I feel like I will even enjoy playing with this. Like, I think that looks super fun, and it's got 30 pieces, so there's plenty for everybody to play around with. And then for days when we don't all feel like getting in the big pool, I just went ahead and got one of these little bitty pools so that he can play around in that, because he's a water dog like his mama. I love being in the water too, and this is just something that'll keep him good and cooled off, because like I said, he can't be in the big pool by himself, but he can be in something like this while I'm out working in the yard or whatever. He can be sitting in it playing. So that's everything that I got this time from Dollar Tree and Walmart for my summertime haul. Be on the lookout for more hauls coming, and hopefully more makeup looks, because I love doing makeup looks. I don't know, sometimes I just feel like it's hard to make them to please everybody, but yeah, if you guys have any requests, leave them down below and I will try my best to get on with them. And I hope you guys have a super awesome day, and everybody stay safe, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye y'all.